Guys, good morning. Today's episode is going to be on sampling techniques. In our previous classes, I discussed what sampling simply means. In today's episode, I'll talk more about sampling techniques. First and foremost, what is techniques? According to the dictionary, techniques it means another way, methods, isn't it? It talks about methods in carrying out things. So sampling technique simply means it's a method in which a researcher uses in selecting a sample. And in doing that, two things should be considered: sampling frame and then sampling size. The sampling frame simply means like a map, like a cage, point A to point B, point A to point C, like a map. While the sampling size can be small, big, or more than that. So we have two types of sampling techniques. We have one, probability sampling method. We have two, non-probability sampling method. Let me discuss probability sampling method very well. Probability sampling method is subdivided into three. We have one, the random sampling method. Two, we have the systematic sampling method. And then three, we have the stratified or strata or stratus method of sampling. Random sampling method is all about choosing from a large number randomly. It's been selected using probability. You choose randomly, you select it randomly. You don't use layers, you don't use rows, you don't use column, you don't use points, you just pick randomly. Why systematic? Systematic, it's a non-random selection method. You just go, you can use either interval or probably points. You can say from point 2 to point 3, point 4 to point 5, whatever many methods suitable for you. It's not a random method. You use interval in measuring it, in selecting it, The stratified sampling method is selecting by levels or layers. This particular stratified, it can be in rows, in columns, in layers. It's not necessarily you come and choose randomly or logically or systematically. No, use layers, queue, levels in selecting. In these three types of probability sampling methods,